In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can insert and edit a table in the Microsoft Excel mobile app. So as you can see, the layout in the mobile app is quite a bit different than the desktop version, but you can do a lot of things in the mobile app that you can also do in the desktop version, like make and use a table. So first, to insert the table in the mobile app, you want to tap in the top left corner and grab one of these two dots to then highlight all of the data that you want to go ahead and make your table from. Now, to navigate to where we can enter the table, you're going to want to click on this up arrow in the bottom right corner, so tap on that. And then you're going to want to go to the Insert tab by clicking on where it says Home right here, and you're going to want to go to Insert, where we can then insert a table from here. So as you can see, the first option is Table, so we tap on Table. And after tapping on table, you can choose if your table has headers or not. As you can see, mine does, but your table might not have headers, so you can uncheck that box. And as you can see, it's column 1, column 2, column 3 instead of the fruit form retail price, as if I tap that it has headers. And with the table highlighted, as you can see, I have a lot of the editing capabilities in the mobile app that I do in the desktop version. So for example, I can insert below, insert left, insert right, delete rows, delete columns, delete the table. And then I can also add a total row, first column, last column. I can choose to have banded rows or banded columns if I want to. I can convert it to a range, and I can also adjust the table style. So as you can see, for example, I can have the table be green if I wanted to. And let's just say I wanted the table to be a different size. So I can tap this arrow down to bring the menu down. And if I want the table to be a different size, I can scroll to one of the corners. And as you can see, there's this little box right here with two arrows. I can tap on one of these arrows and then drag it. And that makes the table bigger, or I can bring it back to make it smaller. One thing too with this is that you can also sort and filter in a similar way that you would on the desktop version. So to do this, you want to zoom in a little bit so you can tap on one of these filter icons a little bit easier. So let's just say I want to tap on filter for form where the type form is frozen. I tap on that, and then I go here, and I can, as you can see, I've filtered for the form is frozen. Then if I want to clear the filter, I can click clear all, or I can also sort. So for example, I want to sort the retail price from its ascending. As you can see, now the retail price is ascending. Or I can also do the same thing to sort descending right there. And I can also adjust the sheet view if I would like to, which can be helpful depending on kind of what I'm working on. And I can also adjust the filter to be based on specific text. So for example, I might want to filter for where the text contains the word pound. Then click done. As you can see, now I have almost done so because it contains pounds. I tap OK. As you can see, I filtered for where the text contains the word pound. And I can go ahead and then clear the filter by tapping there and then clicking select all. And then as you can see, now I've selected everything again, and the filter is cleared. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.